Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. It's you and Ups again on this one. So this video is about how I made $2,000 on my $100,000 propfirm account, the forex funder propfirm account. And not just about that, but I'm also going to be telling you or showing you the strategy I'm using to trade this account. And so many people have really requested for this type of my strategy. I don't know why. I always say it in almost all my videos, my strategy has very low win rate. It's about a 40% win rate, and I don't know why y'all are attracted to that thing, to something like that. The edge for me is not really in the strategy. For real, it's not really in the strategy. It's how I'm managing the trade and the plan I have in position. For me, and I know that any profitable trader out there is going to say the same. But yeah, and also this is the account. This is the trade I took today. And yeah, this is the account balance right now. I'm up about 4%. Damn, crazy. I'm up more than 4%, by the way. So that's to say, in less than 4%, I'm going to pass the account because it's the 8% profit target. I'll jump on the screen right now and I show you guys the strategy. Let's do it. So guys, my laptop is really slow, and that's the reason why I don't really make screen recorded videos too much with my laptop, because it's so slow. But let me try to explain this thing and let me try to do it fast. And by the way, this video is sponsored by the forex funders. So around in the middle part of this video, I'm going to go to their platform and show you a very good discount that they are doing for December. So you all should jump on it. Use the code I'm going to put on the screen and do it. It's about a 50% off, but let's just save it for later. So now guys, if you look at the charts now, you're going to see a lot of lines. This is what I do. So from the line here, you're going to see around here, you're going to see that this is where New York session starts from, and this is the time when I'm really looking for entries. So but here I like to use the session indicator, which is what is on the screen now. This is the 5 minutes time frame. I take my entries from 1 minute time frame to 5 minutes or 1 minute, and I use more of buy stops and sell stops. Sorry, buy limits and sell limits. So this is it. It is a very simple strategy. It is so simple, like it's one of the simplest strategies I've traded, but this is why I'm finding success in. So let me show you how. So if you look here, you see that I marked London highs and I also marked London lows. This is very important, but this is not the first thing I do. The first thing I do every day is that I go to the daily time frame. Guys. Now watch this. This is so simple. Some people are not going to believe it that I trade it this simple. I keep it this simple, but I'm telling you for real, this is so simple. Now I've not marked the chart for tomorrow's trade, but let me show you let me do it. Doing it here is going to make this video very slow. Yeah, but what I do is that I come every day and I mark the highs and the lows of the previous 2 days. So guys, as you can see, this is the highs and the lows of 2 days prior. So why I do this is because these 2 days serve as support and resistance. These are very important zones. If the market tap this zone, it does a lot of respect to it. So this is what I really use as the major levels in this type of strategy I'm using. So it serves as resistance or support. So this is the one for yesterday, which was a very big day, and this is the one for the previous day. So after I do this, what I do is that I just try to look at the market from a daily point of view, to look, because the day time frame is a very important time frame to a day trader, not because of the whole market chart on the time frame, because maybe just one candle. I can look at the time frame now and say, okay, I feel like gold is going to go up, and I ask myself what's the reason for that. Look at the probabilities and just come up with the reason, like, okay, gold is going to go up based on what I'm seeing either way. So I just look at it for a minute and I leave. The next thing I do is that I go back to the 1 hour. I go to the 1 hour and look at the chart there too. I just look at the levels here, and this is the area where I'm going to draw a level. Yesterday this was a very relevant level for me. This was a very relevant level, and the market came here, tapped here, and continued the trend. But after I look at the market here, the next thing I want to do is I go to the 5 minutes and wait. This is a very important part of the trading style. Waiting. I do a lot of waiting. Sometimes I wait, I sit on my hands for 3-4 hours and do not take any trade for the whole day, and I walk out. That's just what it is. So now the next thing, and this is the main reason why I take trades. So pay attention to, if you really if you really want to know how I trade or the strategy. So this is the thing. This was London highs and this was London low for the day. So what I did is that I come and mark this level before New York session starts. I mark this level before New York session starts, the highs and the low. Now I'm looking for a breakout from either high or low of London. So in this case, it was a breakout from the highs. So what did I do? I go down to the 1 minute time frame. I go to the 1 minute time frame and I set, give me a minute. So I go to the 1 minute time frame and I set a buy limit. So in this case it was a buy. So after it broke the London high, which is here clearly, just like I just said. Pardon me, my laptop is a little bit slow. That's why I don't like to do screen recording until I get a new laptop next year. So yeah, you'll have to pardon me. So what I did is that I come here. So for yesterday's case was this. After it broke above, I set my buy limit here and the market came back, tapped me in, and I hold for at least 1:2. I hold for at least 1:2. So that's just the thing. If you look here, it's a 1:2 trade, but the market still ended up going up. If I held for the whole move, I would have closed 1:7. But see guys, the goal is not catching the whole market. This is where people fail. This is where people suffer in trading. When they see these moves go, me myself included, when I see this move, I'm like, oh, I would have caught this much and all this type of things. It's true, and that's actually an error if you don't know how to catch these moves. You understand? You should learn. But don't self-sabotage. If you make a mistake, tell yourself, I'm going to come back and try it again. That's the energy. So this is exactly it. The source here is that I mark London highs and London lows, and immediately New York session open, I try to trade the breakout of these highs and lows. That's what I do. That's exactly what I do. That's basically it. There's no need to even add any other thing or make it longer or make it anything. It's basically what I did, and this is how I closed the $2,000 today on this trade. I almost fell. So this is how I closed $2,000. But as you can see, the market kept going up, and it felt very painful seeing the market go, just catching a few pips. But it is what it is, guys. It is totally what it is. Market kept going up. That's just how the market is. How would you even know if the market is going to continue or not? That's a funny thing. So for now, my trading plan carries that I go for only 1:2 till next year. But guys, this is a very important part of the trading, and I'm leaving it for the end. This is a very important part of the trading. But before that, let's go to the Forex Funder platform and let me show you how this. So guys, if you look up here, you're going to see this 50% off and 150% refund. So use this promo code and get yourself this account, guys. Get yourself this account. So their platform is really good. It's nice. I like it. Their customer support is something I really appreciate. I used to see this type of customer support in my Forex fund alone for all the propfirms I've used. So guys, come here, get your account and enjoy yourself, guys. Enjoy yourself. So that's about it. Account starting from $10,000 to $1 million, as you can see here. It's crazy. There's barely propfirm funding you $1 million. Come here, check it out for yourself. So use this code here. I'm going to put it on the screen if you have not seen it. So use this code. Look up here. You're going to see it. 50% bonus and 150% refund. Let's go back to the video. So this is the very important part of my trading strategy. Is this volume you're seeing down here. This volume is very, very, very important, guys. Now the thing with volume is that when it is high, it means okay, more money is coming into the market, or more orders are coming into the market, and that's the time when you want to join the trend. Because if that's the case, if more money is coming, then guess what, the market is going to make bigger move. So if you look here where this market made this big move, you see that the volume was big and it made this big move. So that's just about it, guys. So this is basically it. Let me keep this video short and simple. So that's what I do, guys. That is what I do. Very simple. But to be frank, guys, the edge is not in this strategy. The edge is not in the strategy at all. The edge is in how I'm managing my trades. And just like I told you guys, I said I am going to do a video when I finally pass my account and get funded. I'm going to do a video and tell you guys what I switched or what I tweaked that made my trading profitable. I'm going to do that. I am very, very confident in my trading now than ever. This is point blank period. Very, very confident in my trading now than ever because of one thing I did. It made a very big difference. It's making a difference. If you look at all my accounts, the growth is massive. The growth is very, very clear now. So let's see how it goes, guys. I'm going to update you guys. Tune in for the video of the week on Saturday. You know the vibe, guys. Let's see how it goes. Peace.